Depression and anxiety. What is the relationship between depression and anxiety? While at first, these conditions may seem quite different, even opposite, doctors agree that they can be more closely related than you imagine. In this video we will explain what the symptoms of depression and anxiety are, how both conditions can be linked and what can you do in order to treat them. First of all, depression should not be taken for a feeling. Depression is a medical condition that affects more than 14 million Americans each year. However, just because you are feeling sad does not mean you are depressed. Depression symptoms are often felt daily for at least 2 weeks. Among the most common ones are feeling sad, helpless, guilty or losing motivation, losing interest in activities that once were enjoyable, crying for no apparent reason, headaches, sleeping disorders, gaining or losing weight, suicide thoughts. On the other hand, an anxiety disorder is noticeable because of an overwhelming feeling of worry and fear. Heart palpitations, cold or sweaty hands, trouble sleeping, sudden feelings of panic and obsessive thoughts go beyond the normal degree of anxiety every human being experiences once in a while due to everyday situations. One can easily tell that depression and anxiety disorders are not exactly the same. However, depression can lead to anxiety. Since depression lowers the patient's energy levels and affects their everyday life in every possible aspect, depressed people tend to feel overwhelmed and threatened by their day-to-day tasks and personal relationships. Indeed, a great number of clinical depressions are also accompanied by anxiety. There are many causes for depression and anxiety. The condition often appears due to a combination of factors. How should depression and anxiety be treated? If you are experiencing some of the symptoms, the best you can do is go to a doctor and let the professional determine whether your problem is indeed a medical depression. Asking for help is the first step out of this undesired situation. Even though there is medication available for treating depression, you should think it very carefully before starting to take drugs, due to the potentially dangerous side effects. If you are experiencing anxiety together with your depression, your doctor should tell you that by conquering the anxiety, the symptoms of depression are very likely to diminish. The best part is that there are many natural remedies you can start trying today, such as exercising regularly. You do not need to join the gym. Just go out for a 20-minute walk around the park. This will activate your metabolism, increases your endorphins, also known as the happy hormones, and make you feel better. Holistic remedies. Natural herbs, such as St. John's wort, lavender or passion flower can relieve your anxiety symptoms. Meditation. This healthy practice can help you overcome your anxiety and develop a positive attitude towards life. There are of course others too many to list here. But the benefits of natural cures for anxiety are that you do not risk experiencing adverse side effects, possible drug addiction and drug dependency. Life can be fun again if you rid yourself of anxiety. A whole new world of opportunity will open up for you as you will be rid of the shackles which anxiety places on you once and for all. For more information please visit my blog. There is a link in the description box by this video. Have a great day.